We're here for Motorboats Monthly today aboard a really exciting boat. It's a Sunseeker Superhawk 34. Now this is the modern incarnation of a range that started back in the 80s with the Hawk 27, Mohawk 29 and boats like that. This is the modern version and they're all about performance. So you've got a fantastic cockpit area up here, big sunbed on the back, nice sitting area opposite a wet bar, and then three great bolster seats for the driver and the passengers at the front. And what this boat is about, it's about out and out driving. We've got a pair of CAD 300 engines in here, that's giving nearly 600 horsepower in total and performance close to 40 knots. Now inside this boat, clearly being a performance boat, this doesn't have the space of something like a Targa 34 for example. But that said, what you have got is you've got a double berth up the front here for sleeping on. There's a nice dinette here, and in fact there's a table underneath here which will cantilever out to give you an eating area just here. Then you've got heads back on the starboard side and a small galley on the port side. It's all you need for weekending or for a couple to go away on. And the nice thing is that being a Sunseeker, it is of course beautifully finished. So this woodwork, this leather, the way the headlining has done everything is classic Sunseeker.